my lovely Aquarians, welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So Aquarians, today we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of November 2021. Please note that this is a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. Just take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? Do not forget to check other placements in your birth chart, okay? For a better and clear understanding. So Aquarians, while shuffling for you guys, there were a couple of energies coming through. One of them was someone is someone is kind of honing his or her skills, doing some research work, studying, going for higher studies, or probably learning new skill sets, okay, for betterment of his or her career, maybe planning a change in career based on that. Okay, I could just give me a second, guys. Sorry, I could also connect to someone who was that energy is a little doubtful about someone, okay, like that energy, who the person, he or she feels that his or her partner is kind of double timing, and that, so this person was kind of stalking that person, okay, trying to find out more about that person, what that person does, or is that person kind of cheating on me, that kind of energy I was getting. It is a very specific message, specific energy. Won't resonate with all, but that's the kind of energy I was getting. And what else? I feel that, yeah, the cards, while shuffling the oracle deck, the cards that kept on coming were you need to rest, okay? You need to rest, guys. You might be probably overworking. Maybe you're just kind of exerting yourself, burning yourself out for your career purposes. So don't do that. Make sure that you are resting enough, okay? That's the kind of message that was coming out very strongly. Yeah. So let's get started, guys, and let's see what messages we have for you guys for this month of November 2021. 7 of Wands, Queen of Swords, okay, 4 of Cups, King of Cups, Knight of Swords at the bottom of the, yeah, see, the page has shown up again. This is what I was talking in the beginning, okay? You guys are definitely researching something. Maybe you guys are even stalking someone is what I'm getting, okay? Yeah. So yeah, let's get started, guys. The energy in your current energy is that of 7 of Wands. Now this to me is looking like some kind of struggle. You are trying to overcome some obstacles. Could be at workplace, could be at work, could be at professional front, but definitely trying to make your point, try to prove your point, trying to sail through the competition around, or some some hurdles, okay? That's the kind of energy I'm getting over here. Let's quickly clarify what the 7 of Wands is about, guys. 7 of Wands is clarified by 9 of Wands. Definitely something in your energy is kind of sucking your blood is what I'm getting. That's the message I'm getting. Something is kind of really exhausting you. Maybe there is someone who is not ready to understand, not ready to see your point, and you're really having tough time putting your point across to that person, okay? Now this could be at professional level or at personal level, guys, but definitely this is something which is kind of really leaving you very exhausted is what I'm getting over here. Yes, the energy in your recent past is that of Queen of Swords. Now Aquarians, this could be you who were who had stepped into the energy of this queen, in the sense you were out there to seek the truth, you were not up for any kind of nonsense from anyone. I also feel that this energy is particularly taking me back to the energy that I was getting while shuffling for you guys. Someone is someone out there is trying to find out about the other person, okay? Literally stalking that person, trying to know what that person is up to, okay? I feel that this is that energy, okay, guys? You are kind of you have completely pulled out your swords, and you are kind of out there trying to seek the truth, okay, because you have some doubts, you have some you have your you have the gut feeling that your person is not being truthful to yourself, or there is something more than what's meeting the eye, that kind of feeling you are having, and that's the reason why you have stepped into this Queen of Swords energy, guys. Very specific message for some of you. Yes. Moving on to your immediate future, there is Four of Cups. Now this is, I strongly feel, guys, this is you sitting up in this Four of Cups energy, a little sad over something, a little stuck over something, maybe whatever that is happening in currently, the whatever this energy sucking is about, that is kind of making you feel really stuck, okay, and you are kind of really frustrated, you don't know, or rather you are not able to understand how to move ahead, or how to cross this roadblock, okay. That's the kind of energy I'm getting. I strongly suggest, guys, try to seek help, try to seek professional help, try to seek help of friends if you're not able to solve this issue. Maybe for yourself, try to meditate a little, because meditation brings in a lot of answers miraculously, okay. Just try it out, guys, if that helps to you, okay. Only then will you be able to move on or move ahead and step into this new energy that that lies ahead of you, okay. If you see this this new cup, that's what I'm talking about. The energy in your obstacles is that of King of Cups. Now this is very interesting. I feel that some of you guys are getting overtly emotional about this situation. Just step back and see, are you eyeing this situation too emotionally? Are you getting too involved unnecessarily? Are you getting too carried away unnecessarily? That kind of introspection, just try to do that, okay, and then maybe change your thought processes accordingly, okay. Because the King of Cups has come into the obstacles position, I feel that your emotions are coming in your way, and they are not able to they're not allowing you to take the decision that you should be taking ideally, okay. That's the kind of message that is coming on strongly for you guys. The energy in your advice position is that of Knight of Swords. Now I really would want to clarify Knight of Swords. To me, right away, first message that I'm getting is take action. Take action. Probably you're not taking right action, okay. That's the message that I'm getting. But at the same time, do not take any action in the spur of or heat of moment, okay. Make sure that you have thought things through. Six of Swords has come out as clarifier. Definitely, guys, you are currently very much stuck over here. You really need to take the right action and move on from this situation, okay. There is no point crying over the spilt milk or remaining stuck over a particular point or situation or a problem for too long, okay. There's no point stretching things too far, okay. So just think calmly, arrive at a decision, whatever it is, and take it. Do not take any hasty decision, but definitely an action is required over here, and most probably the ask is to just move on from the situation, whatever it is. Sometimes you need to choose your battles, you need to choose your battles wisely. There is no point arguing or trying to convince someone who is not willing to take your point. If that's what is happening in your case, and which I strongly feel is happening, just let go of that situation and move on in your life, guys. That's the message I'm getting for you. Seven of Pentacles at the bottom of the deck. Definitely you guys are very much stuck over something. That's the message that is coming loudly and clearly, guys. Loudly and clearly. Yeah, overall energy has Two of Swords. Again, there are a lot of swords in this reading. You are probably dealing with a fellow air sign, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or you have air strongly in your charts, okay. Not necessary, but that could be the case. Guys, you are very much indecisive about something. You are not able to arrive at a decision, and that's the reason why you are feeling so stuck, okay. So like I said just a couple of minutes ago, try to calm yourself down, try to meditate a little, and then you'll be able to arrive at a solution. Maybe take professional help, take help from your friends and family. They can help you in this situation. three of cups. This is probably, yeah, you should guys just take a break and go out and meet out your friends and family, try to socialize a bit, give this issue a little break, okay, and only then probably you'll be able to think clearly, okay. Just go out and chill for some time, okay, take a break from this problem, whatever it is bothering you, maybe that will help you guys, okay. Page of Swords, like I said, now when I'm clubbing these two cards, okay, I really feel that some of you guys are a little doubtful about your person, okay. This is a very specific message. You guys think that that person is kind of double timing you and you are kind of stalking that person, or it could be the other way around, the other person is not trusting you and is kind of literally stalking. I'm getting a very strong energy of a stalker over here, okay. That person feels that you are not true to them, him or her, and that's why that person is out there stalking you, okay, literally keeping a tab on every action of yours is what I'm seeing. Yes, because see, there is a third party that is involved is what that person perceives as, okay. Could not be the case, but yeah, I mean, when you get doubts, I mean, it's a very tricky thing, okay. I also feel that some of you guys are definitely preparing yourself for some higher studies, for some extra skills, extracurricular activities. That's what I'm getting very strongly. Moving on to the next message for you guys from this beautiful deck. Okay. Don't let your past hold back. Whoa, that is very interesting. The ask, like I said, is to move on, okay. To move on. Don't stay in this Four of Cups energy, guys. Do not let anything bind you or keep you in a stuck energy, okay. So just move on, okay. Learn your lessons, let go and move on is what I'm getting. There was another card that was trying to come up, and it was this, though it did not pop out. I would like to take end of a tough cycle approaches. Definitely, yes. I once you start letting go of things, you will be able to bring this problem to a resolution. Otherwise, you will remain stuck forever, guys. So just let go is what I'm getting strongly for you guys. Let's see what message we have for you guys from this beautiful deck. A very interesting message has come up, guys. Father healing. Your personal power increases as you give any father related issues to heaven. It's a very interesting card. Whenever I get this father healing or mother healing, I know that this is a very strong message for some of you guys. If you have any issues related to your parents, either of your parents, be it your father, be it your mother, make sure you resolve those issues, okay. If this conflict is related to any of your parent, okay, please make sure that you do not give in to your egos, okay. Just let go, reach out for a peaceful resolution, and just forgive yourself and forgive others, especially when it comes to parents. Well, I personally believe that you should never let your ego get better of you when it comes to our parents, for anyone for that matter, but especially when it comes to your parents. Yeah. So guys, just try to arrive at a peaceful resolution is what I'll say. So guys, moving on to the last part of the reading, and a very interesting and my favorite. I have ordered some more tarot charms and I'm going to use that for you guys. Okay, so let's see what we have. I'm going to pull this many. Okay, I'm pulling this many. Yeah. Bear. Okay, wow, what a cute bear to me. And when I'm seeing at this entire reading, I feel that you guys should just hug and make up, just give a bear hug to whoever this person in conflict is, if possible. I mean, I won't say that if it's at your professional front, go and hug that person. No, but just try to just make peace with that person, okay, and just try to let go of the conflict is what I'm getting very strongly here. Okay, yeah, time, clock, watch, whatever. So guys, know that the time is just clicking by. Okay, we are here for a very limited period of time anyway. Do not waste that time in any baseless egos or issues or battles. Just use your time wisely, and just what do I say, just make up, just kind of have a peace treaty. Okay, I'm just kind of propelled over and over back to the same thing. Mirror, I had got this charm yesterday also. For which reading did I do yesterday? I think it was Taurus, yeah. So if in case you have Taurus in your sign, you can check that also out. So this is like having a, to me this appears to be a message of having a self dialogue, self conversation. Talk to yourself, be gentle to yourself, know that you are special, you are beautiful, you are just unique. Okay, and you can do this. Okay, you have got the grip of the situation completely, and you can do this, and just go for it, guys. That's the kind of message I'm getting for you guys. Flower, yeah, again when I'm clubbing this flower and this bear, I really feel that you guys should just chill out. You just guys should make peace with whatever the situation is. There was a socializing card as well. Okay, so maybe just take a break, guys. Just take a break. It will definitely clear your mind, and you'll be able to arrive at certain decision. Last what we have got is a letter J. Oh guys, definitely check out Taurus reading. I had got similar charms there as well. So if this letter by any chance, if it means anything to you, probably you are dealing with someone who has J in their initials or name, or maybe a place that is starting with J, or anything that has J to do with lot of significance. Okay, that's the charm. That's what this charm is telling. Yeah. Alright guys, Aquarians, I leave it at that. I hope you like this reading. If any of this resonates with you, if any of this is your story, do give the video a thumbs up, drop comments, share your experiences. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. I'll see you next month directly, guys. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye, take care.